Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get CapCut templates from TikTok. So you're just going to select the search button and find CapCut templates, and then select the CapCut template you want. So it's the one with like the CapCut button. As you can see, there's like a CapCut button here. Click on it, and then you are just going to press use template in CapCut and press open. And then from there, you're just going to add videos and photos to the template. So like press use template, and then you can select videos and stuff from here. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!